Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching us from. Welcome and welcome back to this channel. We are glad it's another beautiful day that the Lord has given us, and we keep moving with our journey. We don't stop, we keep moving. So today we're going to talk about tomato farming, which I've tried. I've decided to go in this year to try, because basically, as a farmer you have to keep on crop rotating. You have to learn about crop rotation to know which particular plant is good with your soil at what season, and what to do. And it's quite interesting. So this season, this year, I've planted these tomatoes. I think should be the end of January, start of February. That's when I decided to bed the seed. And it's interesting. I didn't even go to the agrovet to buy the seeds. I just went to the market, bought tomatoes, cut into small pieces, and picked the seeds inside, and decided to bed them direct. And voila, this is the magic. Yeah, you can't imagine, yes, but this is the magic. I didn't buy the seeds. We keep innovating and elevating our life in farming and each and everything. So from bedding to transplanting, it takes like 2 to 3 weeks. The crops are ready and you have to transplant them. For tomatoes are quite interesting because they're quite challenging with each and everything. So you have to keep on monitoring each and every time to keep moving. And they really grow very fast, so you have to keep on watching all the time for you to acquire success. As you all know, bees are also a fan of tomatoes, so they tend to eat the nectars from the flowers. So most of the flowers will not grow into fruits, but you'll get some, because this is a society and it's God creation, so we share different things with human beings, birds, animals, and we share these things because God gave us for free. And it's quite interesting, yeah? Quite interesting. So tomato farming is very interesting, by the way, and I've come to learn the process. I'm deep into it. I'm not regretting it, because in little time I'll be taking these fruits to the market, and I'll quite get something out of it. From this small space, you can't imagine. And we'll eat them and feed them, and somebody else there also will have to enjoy it. So let's keep enjoying, let's keep farming and the lifestyle we experience. We eat organic, we keep each and everything. It's quite interesting. We keep moving regardless. Yeah, we share this, so no problem. We keep moving regardless, so I'm just happy with it. Oh, there's something I also want you to learn that I've learned. You see this spinach down here? They're the ones that I showed in a previous video. Rather, there's a video I showed about my plantation of spinach. And it's quite interesting that the moment I planted these tomatoes, there have been a chemistry between the two plants, which I don't understand. These spinach were almost dying. But little did I know that when I planted these tomatoes, they got life again. And they grew quite big. As you can see, most of them are tall. So they were reaching that stage of dying. Then all of a sudden they just picked up and they continued surviving very well. So I wondered, if you're a farmer and you have experienced this before, please comment down below or let me know what this chemistry is called and what nutrients does the tomatoes fix on the soil for the spinach to gain. I also want to understand because this is interesting. So these ones, the tomatoes also, you have to keep on spraying during this climatic change. I think I also have to do a video just to go through all this, to take you through this the spraying season, what to spray at what time, and during the climatic change, what will affect what. If the leaves, if you see the difference with leaves, how they look, what should we do? I think I will also make this video to share my journey, what I've been passing through and how I survived through. I really feel happy to do this. So we continue waiting for this, for the first harvest, which I'm quite impressed with the progress so far. So I can't wait for the final stage. And we keep farming, guys. Let's keep farming. Let's keep enjoying farming. And it's quite an interesting lifestyle. So thank you, and thank you very much for tuning in. Until next time, adios.